How to use keyframes on CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use keyframes on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go quick through this video. In order to use or add keyframes on CapCut PC, you want to go ahead and open up CapCut first and then load up the project. In my case, I've loaded up the project, right? So once the project is loaded up, what you want to do is you want to head over on the clip that you would like to add keyframes to. Now here, once you tap on the clip on the timeline here at the right hand side, at the top right basically, you'll find the video option, animation option, and various other options. As you can see, let me just focus up right there. Now beside every effect, so basically here you can see blend, you can see transform, you'll be able to see beside it the keyframes icon. So you can see Add Keyframe if you simply tap on it. Now you might not be able to see it on the screen as it might be small, but it's here Add Keyframe. Tap on it and now wherever you selected on the video, the keyframe will be added, right? So I'll go ahead and tap on Add Keyframe and you can see the keyframe has been added. Then you can select second keyframe and you can again add keyframe. And now you can go ahead and again head into another keyframe and add in the keyframe. So you'll be able to add in the keyframe, and once you have added the keyframe, you can go ahead and select, and there you can add in the animation or any other options, right? Just this way. So this is how you can add and use keyframes on CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.